Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something sweet, romantic for Valentine's Day. So I started with Love You So Mochi palette from NYX and just apply it all over your lid. Then I used my favorite palette from Morphe and just applied on my eyes. I don't want to make something really dark for this makeup, so just apply it with a tiny movements. And then I use another shade from this palette for my eyes to make it more softer from the beginning till the end. I really enjoy highlighter from NYX highlighting and contouring palette because it's soft, it's not like glowing like a mirror on your face, so you don't need to be really careful applying it, so it's quite simple and nice. If you follow my channel, you can see that I always use Catrice mascara because I really enjoy it, and you just need to try because it's a good thing for a good price. And yes, of course, it's going to be Milani. So sweet, soft, and I really hope you like this video. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because I want to show you one more look for Valentine's Day, but more sexy. So I hope to see you soon, and remember that you are already beautiful.